This is how to transfer an RRSP account from Manulife over to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, go to the bottom and then select the icon with the arrows pointing in opposite directions. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit to where it says Accounts and then press Transfer Account to Wealthsimple. Then press Get Started. Once you're here under Most Popular, if you were to scroll down a little bit, you should come across the Manulife logo. Simply select it and then press Got It. You can then select where your investments are located, so wherever your RRSP is being held, you can then select that. I will just go ahead and select Manulife Group Retirement as an example, and then press Next. Now, because you want to transfer over an RRSP account, you can then make sure that that one is selected, and then press Next. It'll then force you to this page where you can type in the number, etc. Basically, whatever it's asking for, type that in. Then once that is done, you should be able to complete the transfer. So that is how to transfer an RRSP account over from Manulife to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.